Hey guys, thanks for tuning in. Today I'm going to show you how to apply your LipSense. So when you buy a starter kit or you first start using LipSense, you're going to get a color of your choice, a glossy gloss, and a remover. So to start with, I am first going to show you how to put it on. So the first thing you need to know is you need to shake your LipSense. The reason for that is there is SD alcohol and color particles in here. So what it does is it mixes it together to allow the color technology to actually stay on your lips. Once you put it on, the alcohol evaporates, leaving behind the color. You also have to do 3 layers. Now, the reason for that is your first layer is going to be the one that bonds to your lips. Your second helps to build the color, and the third one is going to help protect from environmental things like food, coffee, or just kind of friction from rubbing your lips together. So let's get started. So I'm going to take my color and I just kind of like to brush off some of the excess because I don't want it on super thick. Thin layers are going to help it stay on better and dry quicker. If you're new to LipSense and your lips are kind of cracked because you haven't been using a product that allows them to get moisturized, this might tingle a little bit just because of the alcohol in here. But as your lips heal and you keep using LipSense, all the moisturizers from the gloss like the vitamin E and the shea butter are going to heal your lips and you're not going to have that tingle anymore. Let's do the second layer. Now also, because the gloss doesn't have any beeswax in it, it's not going to coat those dead skin cells that are normally on your lips because all skin exfoliates. It's not going to make them stick to your lips. So because of that, you might notice if you've been using beeswax products that you're going to have some dead skin coming off when you first start using LipSense. It's not an allergy, it's just totally normal process for your lips to go through that. And as you keep using LipSense, that's not going to happen because you're going to be consistently moisturizing them and you're not going to have buildup of dead skin cells. Okay, let's do the third layer. And this is the color Maud Magenta, which is a limited edition color, but I love it, so I wanted to use it today. So we're just gonna let that dry. And then I'm gonna top it with my gloss. And there you have it. You're good. You're not going to have any smearing, any transfer. You're going to get anywhere from 4 to 18 hours of wear, and the longer you use the product, the longer lasting results you're going to get because your lips will be healthy and able to retain that color even better. Hopefully this helped. If you like this video and want to see more like this, hit subscribe, and thanks for watching.